So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, guess what? My name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm excited to share with you guys how I managed to make a little over $1,500 every week in college. Now that's every week in college. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys my story, how I did it, and more importantly, the 3 practical businesses that I started as a college student. Now for me, I had this idea at the gym. I'm a little sweaty. I said, hey, I need to share this with the people. I need them to understand how to make money in college because a fear of mine was going broke in college. One of the biggest fears was not having time to work, not finding ways to make money, and more importantly, not having money to my name. So I found ways to make money and I was creative with my processes of making money. But more importantly, guys, the 3 businesses that I'm gonna share with you right now in this video is a business that anyone can start. For me, I've always been that hustler, the guy that wants to go out there and get it. I found creative ways to make money and it has led to great results. So I'm gonna go take a seat right here. Let's walk to the apartment a little bit and let's break this all down. Now for me, one of the greatest decisions that I made in my life that allowed me to make this money, and honestly, if I went away to a 4-year college, I probably wouldn't be able to pull off this incredible results, which I'll share with you guys in a second, was I went to community college. Now for me, community college was a hard decision. I was playing soccer, I was going to school, and guess what? I was still finding ways to make money. Now the commitment to go to college, to go away, to spend a lot of time on school is very stressful, but there still is time for you to make money. So I'm gonna break down what I did and more importantly, what you can do to start earning income in college. If you need an extra $100, $300, the more effort that you put into these businesses, the more money that you're gonna make. I'm gonna start off with the first business that allowed me to really start crushing it and a way that I started making money online. For me, I've always had the goal in college, through high school, I wanted to creatively make money online. This was a weird passion of mine. I needed to find a way, and guess what? I figured it out. I started selling on eBay. You've probably heard of this model. Can you actually make money selling on eBay? So what I did to first get this journey started was probably at the end of my senior year, I started selling and flipping the clothes that I had in my closet that I no longer wore. I knew that the eBay business is gonna be a profitable business. I was making money, I was figuring out how to sell, I was figuring out how to ship, I was buying all the equipment that I needed to run this business, and guess what? I was set up and on my way to start making money. But to really scale this business, which led me to make a little over $500 every week. As you can see here, there's some results. I was making around $2,000 every month reselling on eBay. And that was the exact business model, the first business that I wanna share with you guys on how you can get started selling and making money on eBay. So what I was doing after school, late at nights, and even on the weekends, I was going to local Goodwills, thrift stores, Value Villages, anywhere that had used items. Now for me, I found my niche when it came to reselling. A lot of people sell antique stuff, a lot of people sell furniture, which I'll touch on in a second, but I went after men's and women's popular brand clothing. Now I found that the thrift stores near me in Maryland were loaded with Patagonia, LL Bean, Vineyard Vines, all these popular brands that people were giving to the thrift stores. Now this was a huge opportunity in mine. I've always had that entrepreneurial mindset, and I figured, hey, these clothes are just on the rack. Anybody can buy these for $4 to $10. And I would go on eBay, I would see exactly how much they're worth. Some of the clothes I was buying for $3 to $5, I was flipping for $40 to $30. And instantly I was finding 3 to 4 items every thrift store. I was going into multiple thrift stores and pulling out $300 to $500 a day basically at the thrift store. This was a commitment, and this is something I really focused on, and after school this is exactly what I was doing. So the first business that I want to encourage you to start if you need money in college, if you don't know how to begin making money, you're scared to go broke in college, is to first off start selling the clothes that you have, the items that you no longer use in your life. Start listing them on Poshmark or eBay. This is a great marketplace for you to begin making money. And secondly, if you want to go scale, go to your local thrift stores. There's a lot of thrift stores that were near me that are probably near you. Go on the Google Maps, search 5 to 10 thrift stores in your area after school, after class, when you have spare time. Drive to these thrift stores, go on the eBay seller app, hit me up if you have any questions, look up how much these clothes are worth. If you can buy them at a discount, pick them up and go ahead and flip them on eBay for a profit. The first business that was generating me a little over I'd say $300 to $600 every week selling on eBay. Absolutely insane. Now the second business all started from something I did in high school. Now you can talk about any type of service business. For me, in high school, after school, I was mowing lawns. Now for me, I was building up the customer base. Now staying home at community college, like I said, was the greatest decision and commitment that I made. Not only was I going to school, I was also playing soccer, but I was also eBay reselling on the weekends, and guess what? I was mowing lawns after a long day. I remember waking up going to school, going to practice, coming home and doing homework. And then from 6 p.m. all the way to dark, I was out push mowing lawns, making an extra $100 to $200 every day. I was mowing around 4 to 5 lawns every day, and this was a service business that I started in high school. Now you might think, hey, I don't want to go mow lawns, I don't want to go put the effort in, but find a way to provide some type of service, whether it's window cleaning, power washing, go on the Nextdoor app, advertise your services, be eager to hustle. And this is a business that I built while I was at community college. Now for me, this business scaled, but overall every week I was making a little over $500. So these two businesses, from eBay flipping to going after and mowing lawns, was generating me a little over $1,000. $1,000 while I was in college, getting my education, also playing sports. I was absolutely hustling, grinding, and I was finding a way to make a lot of money as a freshman in community college. Now the third business, when I want to share with you guys, it really pushed me over the edge. This was a weekend hustle, guys. When I was in college, I was just so eager to make money. I've always been eager to make money, and it took a lot of time. My friends always asked me, why don't you go out? Why don't you hang out with us? Because I wanted to go buy things to make money. It was just in my DNA. The ability to go out and hustle, the ability to go out there and be creative and build a business was something that always excited me, and it's probably why I dropped out of college, because I realized that college wasn't meant for me, and I didn't want to work for someone. So the third business that I want to share with you guys was a business that I think I absolutely love and still implement in my life today. These three businesses are all kind of implementing in my life to help bring my income up as well. If you want to see my 8 sources of income, go check out a previous video as well. But the third business I want to share with you guys, I think anyone can do this, is a practical business. And this was eBay reselling, Facebook Marketplace, yard selling, all in one. So what I would do on the weekends, Sundays especially, was going out to yard sales. Now yard sales were absolutely loaded, especially in the summer, especially in the spring, and even early fall. People were selling things that I wanted. And the truth is, I would wake up in the morning, I would go to these yard sales, I would do exactly what I was doing on eBay, and I would go find these items that were basically for free. People were giving them $1 to $2, and I would buy them, take them home, take pictures, and then list them and then flip them on eBay. But what really made this a lucrative business was kind of something different. Other than just selling on eBay, I was going to Facebook Marketplace as well. Facebook Marketplace is an absolute smasher. So the items that I was finding at these yard sales that people were practically throwing away for dirt cheap, I was taking these items home. That same day, I was listing them on Facebook Marketplace, and I kid you not, I was making probably an extra $100 to $200 every day. I would go home, snap pictures of furniture, snap pictures of old cameras that I found, snap pictures of magazines, cereal boxes, anything sold on Facebook Marketplace. So I'd go out in the mornings from around 7:30 to around 10:30, buy like 5 to 10 things, go home, flip them on Facebook Marketplace, and by the end of the day, I was making around $100 to $200 every weekend. And this continued to scale. I was selling more on eBay. I was going directly on Facebook Marketplace. I was picking up Nerf guns on the free section of Facebook. I was doing whatever I could on Saturday and Sunday to make more money online, to make more money in my life. And more importantly, I got through school generating around $1,500 every week, going out there hustling with my eBay business, from going out there push mowing, starting a lawn care business that I continued after I started my senior year in high school, to third, going on to Facebook Marketplace, flipping things from yard sales, and absolute crushing it. So guys, when someone says there's no way to make money in school, let me just share them this video. Just say, hey, this kid Peter did it. He's a weirdo, he's a random, I don't know who this kid is. But if you want to make money in your life, if you want to find a way to advance, do not go broke in your life, do not complain about not having money, well, you actually have to put the work in. And I hope you guys understand that so many people in college are trying to make money quickly. So many people in college just say that I'm going broke. So many people are relying on their parents to fund their college. And the reason that I was able to go out there and have this motivation, you might ask, Peter, why were you even doing this? Why were you so eager? Did you even have fun in college? Well, the reason is that I wanted to make money for myself, and I didn't have that support system to go ahead and say, hey mom, can I have an extra $300 to eat? Do I need an extra $500 for books? I need an extra $600, to go out there for a vacation, to go to party. I was so focused on starting these businesses, make money in my life, and more importantly, this is the exact story that I implemented as a college student, as a sophomore, as a freshman in college, while battling school, while going out there starting businesses. This was my journey, and I'm so grateful I went through this. I'm so grateful I learned so many ways to build income in my life. And more importantly, I want to continue to share with you guys what I'm doing on this YouTube channel, what I'm doing on TikTok, what I'm building, because I want you guys to be creative, to no longer have to feel like you need to rely on someone to make money. There are so many creative ways to make money in life, and that's what I'm so inspired to share with you guys, and I'm just so grateful. So if you've come to this far, if you came this far, if that's even English, if you've come this far, as you can tell, I dropped out of college, I don't have a college degree. If you've come this far, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It would really mean so much to me, as well as hit me up in the comment section on what you think, what type of businesses do you want to start, and more importantly, if you want more videos like this is my story, this is what I did, guys. I am so grateful for all you guys who have watched this, tuned in, and more importantly, I want to help so many of you guys. I love you so much. Happy Thursday night. It's probably gonna be up on tomorrow, on Friday, but I hope you guys are crushing this week. I hope you guys are going out there achieving amazing things, going out there trying to build something for yourself, and more importantly, embracing your struggles and using them as leverage that can help change your life for the future. Everything that I went through in college, you know, facing, battling, trying to make money, has now implemented in my life, which has allowed me to 10x, grow my income, and more importantly, I am so grateful I went through that struggle and hustle early on in life. So guys, again, I love you so much. It's a beautiful day out here. I hope you guys had a beautiful day. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.